Hello everyone. Next we are going to take a ponytail, twisting it around, and then we are going to loosen it up a little bit. Then we are going to apply this clip on our hair to the one side. Then taking the excess hair, applying a rubber band on top, and then folding it out into a bun with the help of this bobby pin, and your hairstyle is ready. Next we are taking a ponytail and then we are going to loosen it up at the back. Then we are going to apply this pin underneath it. Then we are going to take the remaining untied hair, then folding it out into this beautiful voluminous bun with the help of this black clip. Next we are going to take a pony and then twisting it, loosen it up and then folding it and applying a pin to one of its side, as you can clearly see in the video. Then taking the remaining untied hair and then folding it out into this bun with the help of a bobby pin. You can even use any clip of your choice. Next we are taking a low ponytail, then we are going to loosen it up, folding it upwards, then applying a clip at one of its sides, as you can see. Then we are going to take the rest of the part of this ponytail and then folding it inwards with the help of this bobby pin. Next we are going to take our ponytail and then applying this clip underneath it. As you can clearly see, you can use any kind or any design of clip. Then we are going to take the remaining part, then folding it out into this simple voluminous bun with the help of this black bobby pin, and it's ready. Next we are going to take a ponytail, then folding it out, and then at one side we are going to apply this pin and then twisting the hair around and then shifting the pin. Next we are going to folding it out into the inwards direction into this beautiful voluminous bun with the help of this clip. Next we are going to take a pony and underneath it we are going to apply this beautiful flower clip and then taking the remaining untied hair and folding it with the help of this pin into this beautiful bun. After that we are going to expand it a little bit and it's ready. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides and then joining it with a rubber band and then folding them once. Next we are going to convert all of our hair into a ponytail, securing it with this beautiful butterfly clip. Next we are going to take a high ponytail and then taking some part of it we are going to apply a rubber band. Taking rest of the untied hair we have left from the ponytail, we are going to convert it into this beautiful voluminous bun and applying this hair clip to it.